Hi guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add images, buttons, and links in your Brevo emails so that you can create beautiful, engaging campaigns that get more clicks and conversions. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we've put down in the description below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master that platform step by step. Now, let's get started. To add images, buttons, and links in Brevo, log into your Brevo account first and foremost. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the left menu and click on the Marketing tab. This will expand into a submenu with options like campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. Click on Campaigns, and then you'll be taken to the Campaigns page where all of your existing campaigns are displayed. Next, open an existing campaign, or actually you can create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new campaign. So click on the Create Campaign button at the top right corner. A pop-up window titled Create a Campaign will appear. Since we're working with email design elements, click on the email option. On the next screen, you will see two options, regular and A/B test. We'll choose regular as the option. Under regular, enter your campaign name, select a tag, and assign a folder. Then click on the Create Campaign button to continue. Now that the campaign has been created, you will be brought rather to the main setup screen where different sections of the email need to be completed before sending. Starting from the top, you will notice the sender section, which confirms which email address your campaign will be sent from. Below that, you'll find the recipients section. Click on the Add Recipients button to choose from your contact lists or segments. Once added, move to the Subject section. Click on Add Subject to write your subject line and preview text that your audience will see in their inbox. After completing these sections, proceed to the Design section to create your email content. Click on Start Designing. Now, a new page will open with all of your saved templates. You can either choose a pre-designed template or create your email from scratch using the drag and drop editor. Click on Create from Scratch on the left side, and a drop-down will appear with three options: Drag and Drop Editor, Simple Editor, and HTML Custom Code. For this tutorial, we'll use the Drag and Drop Editor option. Once you select Drag and Drop Editor, the Design Editor will then open. On the left side of your screen, you will see the Blocks panel, which includes all of the elements that you can add to your email, like text, images, buttons, and also dividers. Let's start by adding an image. So from the left panel, click and hold the image block and drag it into the area on the right where it says drop your block here. Once placed, click the Replace option to upload your image. When you click Replace, a pop-up window will appear showing three options: My Files, Stock Images, and GIF Images. The My Files tab allows you to upload images from your computer or choose from previously uploaded ones. The Stock Images tab will give you access to Brevo's built-in library of free professional images, and GIF Images lets you add animated visuals to your email. Now, for this tutorial, we'll upload an image from our computer. So click on My Files, then on the Upload button. Once your image is uploaded, click Insert to add it into your design. You can adjust its alignment, size, and spacing using the panel on the right side of your screen. Next, let's add a button. Buttons are great for call to action elements like Shop Now or Sign Up or Learn More. From the left panel, drag and drop the button block into your layout where you want it to appear. Once placed, click inside the button to edit the text. For example, you can type Visit Our Store. Now in the Settings panel on the left side, you see an option to add a link. Paste the URL that you want the button to open in the link field. You can also customize the color, size, shape, border radius, and the alignment of your button. If you want to make the button more prominent, you can increase the padding and change the background color so that it matches your brand. Once your button is ready, let's move on to adding a hyperlink to text. Now, this feature is very useful when you want a link to a specific word, phrase, or line within the body of your email, like click here to read more or visit our website. To add a hyperlink, first select the text that you want to link. You can use an existing text block, or you can create a new one by dragging and dropping the text block into your email design. Type your message, highlight the word or phrase you want to hyperlink, and then click on the Add Link icon on the toolbar at the top. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl-K on your keyboard to open the link window directly. When the pop-up appears, you'll see three key fields: type of link, link target, and link title. Let's go quickly over what which one means. Type of link. This drop-down allows you to choose what kind of link you want to insert. You can select a standard URL, an email link, or an anchor link that directs the reader to a specific section within that same email. Link target. This determines how the link opens when you clicked. Now, if you select new window, the link will open in a separate browser tab. If you choose same window, it will replace the current page. Link title. This is an optional field that displays a tooltip when users hover over the link. It's quite useful for accessibility and providing a little more context about where the link leads. Once you have filled out all the fields, click on the insert button to apply the link. Now your text will be clickable and linked to the destination that you entered. After you have added your images, buttons, and links, review your design for consistency. Very important. Make sure that your colors, fonts, and spacing look balanced. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save and Quit button at the top right corner. This will take you back to your email campaign setup page, and from here, you can move to the additional settings section to personalize your email or enable tracking options. And once everything is complete, click the schedule button to either schedule your campaign for later or send it immediately. And that's it. That's how you can easily add images, buttons, and links to your Brevo emails using the drag and drop editor. And if you want to learn more about mastering Brevo, check out the link that we've put down there in the description to get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, along with access to our complete Brevo course that covers everything from setup to automation. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.